Good morning, second graders. Today we are starting a new unit, Unit 7, and this unit's topic is money. So our objective today is I will count pennies and nickels. So today I will count pennies and nickels. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary today. And the first thing we see is it says cent, and they drew a cent sign. Now, I usually make my cent sign with the line going through it. They didn't have the line go through it, and mine usually goes through it. I try to even make the line be a little bit more in the center. That's a better cent sign. But it says, a unit used to measure money in the United States, sometimes it's called U.S. currency, represents a part of a whole dollar. So we have dollar bills, but then we have coins. Coins are what are called cents. Okay, all cents are in the form of coins. Coins are different in size, color, and denomination. Denomination means value. How much is it actually worth? Okay, so today we're only going to be talking about two types of coins. There's more than two types. I'm going to show you I have a coin jar. I bet many of you have a coin jar at home. And today we're going to be talking about pennies, which they have a penny here, but I want you to see what it looks like and nickels. So my penny here is not the same size as theirs. This is an actual size of a penny. The value is 1 cent. So 1 cent. Now if you look at my penny, they both look the same. The picture on them. If we flip this over, this looks the same also. The thing about pennies is they're the only coin that is this color. They're the only coin that's this color. All the other coins have a silver color to them. So this is called a nickel, and its value is 5 cents. Now look at my nickel and their picture. It's different. It's different. It doesn't look the same here. But when I flip it over, this part looks the same. That part looks the same on it. What we know about the nickel is it tends to be a little bit thicker than some of the other smaller one called a dime, which we'll learn about later. And it's larger than a dime and smaller than a quarter. So once we learn all of our coins, we'll know that this one, even though there's two others that are the same color, this one's the middle size one. But you also can see the building. This is called the Capitol building. Okay, so today we're going to be counting money based on pennies and nickels. Okay, so we have count the nickels by skip counting by 5. Now the reason we'd skip count by 5 is because nickels are worth 5 cents each. So when we skip count by 5, we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and we continue. And then it says continue counting the pennies by counting on 1. And the reason we'd count on 1 is because pennies only have a value of 1 cent. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I would do my problem. Here's my first problem. And it says, how much money is shown? So I want to look at my coins and see if I realize what they are. So I can see that these are nickels because I see this building here. So I know that that one is worth 5 cents. This one is worth 5 cents. That one's worth 5. That's worth 5. That's worth 5. Oh, but this is not a nickel. This is a penny, and a penny has a value of 1. So what they want me to do is add up all those numbers. Now an easy way to do it though is they want me to skip count by 5. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then I'm going to stop because this one's not worth a nickel. This one's only worth 1. So once I get to 25, now I'm going to only add 1. So that would give me 26. So this pile of coins is worth 26 cents. And I want to make sure I put the cent sign so I know that it's not dollars, but it's worth 26 cents. Okay, let's look at another one. This one's a little bit different. It says, Timmy has 18 cents. Draw nickels and pennies to show how much money he has. Okay, now I'm not going to be able to draw exactly like him, but I know that a nickel is about that size. I'm going to put the 5 cent inside it to know it's a nickel. So if I have one nickel, that's going to give me 5 cents. If I have another nickel, I'm going to say 5, 10. If I have another nickel, then if I skip count 5, 10, 15. Should I add another nickel? What if I skip count another nickel? I'd have 5, 10, 15. That would give me 20. That's going to give me too much. So I'm going to use a penny now. A penny is a little bit smaller and it's worth 1 cent. So I would need, that would give me 16 cents. I'm not at 18 yet. So I need another penny. And that would give me 17 cents. And I need another penny. And I would have my 18 cents. So to get 18 cents, I need 3 nickels. And the reason that I know they're nickels is I put 5 cents on them. And I need 3 pennies. And then I would have 18 cents. Okay, friends, let's try some of these together. Okay, our first one looks like this, and it's on page 146. 146. Okay. It says, how much money is shown? Okay, so I have to look at this. Now, this doesn't have the building on it that I liked, but if I look here, I can look at the face, and I know that that one is 5 cents. So these are nickels. So up here, I want us to put 5, and then we're going to add another 5, and we're going to add another 5, and another 5, and we're going to add another 5. So we're going to have to add up all those numbers. Okay, but to add them, we're going to use our skip counting. So let's do that down here. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So there is 25 cents. Don't forget your cent sign. 25 cents in that pile of coins. Okay, let's look at our next one. It says, Sylvia has 20 cents. Draw nickels and pennies to show how much money she has. Okay, I don't know if they really want us to definitely use pennies. I'm going to show us one way to do this, and then we might do it another way. So let's do a nickel first. And let's say that's 5 cents. Okay, can we add another nickel? Sure, let's add another nickel. And we're going to put 5 cents inside. So we have now, how much money do we have? We have 5, 10. Ooh, could we add another nickel? We could. Let's add another nickel. 5, 10. Ooh, that would give us 15 cents. Could we add even another nickel? We could. Because 5, 10, 15, if we added another nickel, we would be at 20 cents. So 4 nickels, 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels gave us 5, 10, 15, 20 cents. So we didn't use pennies. Now, if they really wanted us to use pennies, we could have done something different. We could have not used this nickel. Think, boys and girls, how many pennies would you have had to use if you took away that nickel? I hope you're thinking 5, because 5 pennies would give us 5 more cents. Okay, we're going to keep practicing these coins for this whole unit. Okay, friends, have a great day. Bye.